अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप? दिस इज योर मैथ्स टीचर डॉक्टर एहतिशाम नदाफ फ्रॉम सर सैयद अहमद खान उर्दू हाई स्कूल. आई वेलकम यू टू माय न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल मैथ्स सॉल्यूशन पॉइंट. तो मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं, इस्तकबाल करता हूं. खुशामदी खुशामदी. The main reason for me to create this new YouTube channel Math Solution Point is to make math easy, to teach mathematics in easy way, to remove the fear of mathematics, to arouse the interest and curiosity of mathematics among the students. I am teaching mathematics syllabus of standard 8th, 9th and 10th of Maharashtra state, which will be beneficial for semi-English as well as English medium. Okay? तो बच्चों, क्या है मैथमेटिक्स सिवाय प्रैक्टिस और कंसेप्ट क्लियरिंग के? अगर आप मैथ्स समझकर खूब सॉल्व करोगे तो ये मेरा दावा है कि आपको तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स में मैथ्स में ज्यादा मार्क्स मिलेंगे. और यही तो हम कर रहे हैं, यही तो हमारा मकसद है. अब हमने तो सरे राह जला दी है रोशनी, अब जिसके जी में आए वही पाए रोशनी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू लाइक माय एफर्ट्स, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब my channel, like and share to your friends. Okay, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. नहमदु नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद. अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, welcome to this session. Today in Maths 2 of standard 9, the first topic is basic concepts in geometry. So we are going to learn some basic concepts in geometry. Okay, so let us start. चलो शुरू करते हैं. The first point is meaning of word geometry. What do you mean by the word geometry? The word geometry is formed from the two words, that is geometria. The two Greek words, दो यूनानी अल्फाज से मिलकर ये लफ्ज ज्योमेट्री बना है. जियो मीन्स अर्थ एंड मेट्रिया मीन्स मेजरिंग. सो ज्योमेट्री इटसेल्फ मीन्स मेजरिंग ऑफ अर्थ. हैव यू सीन ताजमहल, लाल किला and the monuments, so much monuments, and also pyramids in Egypt? If we saw that, you observe that these buildings are built with great use of geometry. Okay, इन्होंने ये जो बिल्डिंग्स या मॉन्यूमेंट्स बनाई होगी उसमें ज्योमेट्री का कंसेप्ट है, इंजीनियरिंग का कंसेप्ट है. तो ये क्लियर वाज़ेह हो जाता है कि जो लफ्ज ज्योमेट्री है, ये जो लफ्ज है, ये दो अल्फाज जियो और मेट्रिया से मिलकर बना हुआ है, जिसका मतलब होता है जमीन की पैमाइश. ओके, नाउ लेट अस लर्न अबाउट पॉइंट, लाइन एंड प्लेन. ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पॉइंट? इन ज्योमेट्री, पॉइंट, एवरी फिगर इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट. Point, it is a point which is called A, point B, point Q. Okay, so a line is formed from too much points. A line formed from many points, it becomes a line. Line means it's a straight line. एक खत बनता है बहुत सारे नुकात को मिलकर, पॉइंट नुक्ता, और बहुत सारे नुकात को मिलकर एक खत बनता है. ऐसे ही प्लेन सतह, बहुत सारे नुकात मिलकर एक प्लेन बनाते हैं. It is also made up of so much points. Okay, now let us learn about the coordinates of points and distance. Okay, coordinates of points and distance. Now tell me, let us Look here, look at the blackboard. It is a line. It is a line. It is a line. ये एक अददी खत है. How can we say that it is a line? It is a straight line. Okay. Here, these are called points. Where is the points? O, A, B, C, P, Q, R. These are the points on a number line. And 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. These are the coordinates related to that points. Okay, understand? Now, this is a number line in which the above are the points called points and the below represent the coordinate of that point. Now see, the coordinate of point R is -3, the coordinate of point P is -1, the coordinate of point B is 2, and tell me the coordinate of point C, it is obviously 3. The coordinate of point Q is -2. Vice versa, we can say that the point relative to the coordinate -3 is R. The coordinate, the point related to the coordinate 2, it is point B. Vice versa. Okay. So coordinates of points. We learned today. What do you mean by coordinates of a point? On a number line, the numbers which represent the points are called the coordinates of the points. It is called a number line. It is called a number line. In a number line, there are positive numbers, negative numbers and a zero. एक अददी खत, कैसे अददी खत हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? अददी खत पर क्या होता है? अददी खत पर पॉजिटिव नंबर होते हैं, नेगेटिव नंबर होते हैं और जीरो होता है. अब इस कोई भी दो पॉइंट्स के दरमियान का डिस्टेंस मालूम करना. We have to find out the distance between any two points. How can we find out? Let us learn afterwards. Okay, but first of all, understand what do we mean by number line. In a number line, there are positive numbers, natural numbers, and opposite to natural numbers, and a zero. All three numbers forms a number line. Okay. While finding the distance between two lines, let us learn a concept. I can represent a number line like this. Okay, if I do like this or like this, if this right hand represent the natural number, positive natural number, this left hand represent the negative natural number, and this face represent as a zero, then it becomes a number line. You observe that if you go forward to the right hand, numbers we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you go beyond this, we find larger number. While in the negative natural number, -1, -2, -3, -1, -4, -5, like this. If you go further, we will get the smaller number than -1. -2 is less than -1. -3 is less than -2. So if we do like this, if you can, your concept will be clear that on a number line, the numbers represent like this. These are the negative number, these are the positive number, and this is zero. Okay, understand? Now in our practice set, we have to find out distance between any two points. Okay, now let us learn what do we mean by betweenness. What do you mean by betweenness? दरमियानियत किसे कहते हैं? Betweenness. Q is in between point R and P. B is in between point A and C. We can say like that. To represent betweenness, to explain betweenness, we can say that if this is AB having distance 11, distance of AB is 11, and in between them there is a point C. If AC is 5, BC is 6, distance AC is 5, distance BC is 6, then 5 plus 6 it is 11, and so we can say that C is in between A and B. कैसे कह सकते हैं हम? क्योंकि यहां पर AB सबसे बड़ा फासला है, तो एंड पॉइंट ए बी होंगे और यहाँ पर जो कॉमन पॉइंट है सी वो उनके दरमियान में होगा। कंडीशन क्या है? ये जो बड़ा किता है, ये जो बड़ा डिस्टेंस है वो इन दो डिस्टेंस के बराबर होना चाहिए। ओके, दिस बिगर सेगमेंट्स, the sum of these two segments must be the sum of the length of AB. Okay, AC और BC की लंबाई AB की लंबाई के बराबर होना चाहिए, तो और C कॉमन होना चाहिए, तो we can say that C is in between A and B. Okay, okay. Now we are going to start the first exercise, practice set. Okay, first 1.1. Okay, thank you. Okay बच्चों, let's start the first practice set, that is practice set 1.1. First of all, read the question. Find the distances with the help of the number line given below. We have to find out distances of these segments with the help of the number line given. Okay. In this number line, here are the green color represent the points and the orange color represent the coordinates related to that points. इस अददी खत पर ये ऊपर जो है ये नुकात हैं और जो नीचे जो है ये उससे मुंसलिक अददी खत हैं। ओके, उसके मुहद्दिद हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, नुक्ता Q का मुहद्दिद नफी 5 है। द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट Q इज -5. The coordinate of point P is -4. The coordinate of point H is -1. The coordinate of point B is 2. Like this. Okay. So we have in this question we have to find out the distance between distance of different segments given in the question. First of all, we have to find out the distance B. First of all, observe that where is point B and where is point E. On this number line, point B is here having coordinate 2 and point E is here having coordinate 5. So we have to find out distance B. अब देखने के बाद पता चलेगा कि जो डिस्टेंस B है इनके दरमियान का जो फासला है वो 1, 2, 3 इकाई है। The distance of this segment is 3 unit. But we have to find out by a procedure. Okay, let us learn. Okay, the coordinate of point B is, the coordinate of point B is what? 2. Similarly, coordinate of point, which one? E is what? The coordinate of point E is 5. Okay, tell me in a number line, तबई एदाद में कौन बड़ा है? 2 बड़ा है कि 5 बड़ा है? These are positive numbers. So in positive numbers, greater number is always greater. So 5 is greater than 2. Therefore 5 is greater than 2. So how can we find out distance B? To find distance B, we have to subtract the smaller number from larger number. Here 5 is greater than 2, so 5 minus 2. Coordinate of point B minus coordinate of point E minus coordinate of point B. Okay, what will be the answer? 3. So the distance B is 3 units. Okay, समझ में आया? Now let us find out distance J. Distance J. First of all, tell me where is J? Here is J having coordinate -2. Okay, and where is A? Point A. Where is point A on number line? It is here and having coordinate 1. So we have to find out the distance between these 2 points. Okay, distance j. First of all, write coordinate of point j is -2. Similarly, coordinate of point A is 1. Now, अब बच्चों बताओ whether -2 is greater than 1 और 1 is greater than -1. उसके लिए मैंने आपको एक बताया था, नंबर लाइन इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करो। तो यहाँ पर ये पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हैं, ये निगेटिव नंबर्स हैं, फेज 0 है। यहाँ पर 1 यहाँ पर है, -2 इस लेफ्ट हैंड पर है। तो जो राइट साइड पर जो होता है वो ग्रेटर नंबर होता है, याद रखें। तो यहाँ पर 1 और -2 में, यहाँ -2 है, यहाँ 1 है, तो राइट साइड कौन है? 1 है। तो यहाँ पर ऑन अ नंबर लाइन we have to find out distance between A and J. Here A is right side to the point J. So the coordinate of this point is larger than coordinate of this point. और वैसे भी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव नंबर में पॉजिटिव ऑलवेज ग्रेटर रहता है। अंडरस्टूड? ओके। सो इन दिस केस 1 is therefore 1 is greater than -2. So distance JA is equal to coordinate of point A, that is 1, minus coordinate of point J, that is -2. Minus plus 1 plus 2, it is 3 units. Okay? Okay बच्चों, now let us find out the distance between the point K and O. First of all, let us see where is point K. Here point K is here and O is here. So we have to find out the distance between point K and O. Now, what is the coordinate of point K? Coordinate of point K is what? That is -3. Now tell me, what is the coordinate of point O? Coordinate of point O is 0. अब मुझे बताओ, एक नेगेटिव है और एक 0 है। अब नेगेटिव और 0 में कौन बड़ा होगा? तो ऑब्वियसली 0 बड़ा होगा। नेगेटिव और 0 में 0 नंबर बड़ा होगा। ओके, इफ यू observe that number line like this, these are positive, this is 0 and these are negative, so 0 is always positive to the negative numbers. Okay, now here we can write like this: 0 is greater than -3. 0 is greater than -3. Therefore the distance between point KO is coordinate of right side number, that is 0 -3. कैसे लिखे पता है आपको? जब दो नुकात के दरमियान का फासला मालूम करना होता है तो जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट बड़ा है उसको पहले लिखते हैं। जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट, जिस नंबर का, जिस पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट बड़ा है उसको पहले लिखते हैं। ओके, यहाँ पर K का कोऑर्डिनेट -3 है, पॉइंट O का कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, तो यहाँ पर दोनों में बड़ा कौन है बच्चों? 0 है। तो यहाँ पर फार्मूला ऐसे है कि डिस्टेंस मालूम करने का फार्मूला ऐसे है कि बड़ा माइनस छोटा। ओके, बिगर नंबर माइनस स्मॉलर नंबर। ओके, ये दिस साइन इज टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस between these 2 points. Here is a negative sign, but these are the coordinates of these 2 points. Okay, now 0 minus always plus, 0 plus 3 units. So the distance between the point K and O is 3 units. Okay, understand? Now let us find out the fourth point, that is distance. We have to find out distance between point P and J. First of all, observe that where is point P and J. Let us mark. Here it is point P and here it is point J. The coordinate of point P is -4. पता चला बच्चों? The coordinate of point P is -4. The coordinate of point P is -4 and the coordinate of point J it is -2. अब मुश्किल ये आती है कि ये दोनों नेगेटिव नंबर है. हमने कहा था एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव बड़ा होगा. हमने कहा था जीरो और नेगेटिव है तो जीरो बड़ा होगा. दो पॉजिटिव नंबर में जो बड़ा है वो पॉजिटिव बड़ा होगा, वो तो ऑब्वियसली. बट दो नेगेटिव नंबर में कौन बड़ा होगा? लेट अस ऑब्जर्व द नंबर लाइन. यहाँ पर हमने देखा जैसे जैसे नंबर आगे जा रहे हैं उनकी कीमत घटती जा रही है. तो -2 यहाँ होगा, -4 उसके आगे होगा. तो जाहिर है नेगेटिव नंबर्स में जो जितना आगे होगा जितना बड़ा होगा उसकी कीमत उतनी कम होती है. तो यहाँ पर बच्चों -4 और -2 में कौन बड़ा होगा? तो -2 बड़ा होगा. नेगेटिव नंबर्स में उल्टा होता है. पॉजिटिव नंबर में हम कहेंगे कि मेरे पास 4 चॉकलेट हैं, तुम्हारे पास 2 चॉकलेट हैं, तो 4 बड़ा होगा. बट इन नेगेटिव नंबर्स -4 इज लेस देन -2. इन नेगेटिव नंबर्स जो जितना बड़ा होगा उतना छोटा होगा. समझ में आया? ये बात याद रखना है आपको, ठीक है? तो इन दिस सिचुएशन -4 is less than -2. Now we have to find out distance between point P and J. We have to find out distance between point P and J. कैसे फासला मालूम करेंगे? जो बिगर कोऑर्डिनेट है माइनस द स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट. ओके, यहाँ पर -4 छोटा है, हम उसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर -2 बड़ा है -4 से. तो डिस्टेंस मालूम करते वक्त बिगर कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट. ओके, यहाँ पर -2 माइनस प्लस 4. व्हाट विल हैपन? अब बच्चे यहाँ पर गड़बड़ करते हैं, यहाँ पर आंसर 6 लिखते हैं, बट यहाँ पर आपने देखा होगा एक नंबर नेगेटिव है. सो यहाँ पर ये नेगेटिव और ये पॉजिटिव, तो यहाँ पर सब्सट्रैक्शन ही होगा. ओके, तफरीक होगी. 4 - 2 इट इज 2. 4 - 2 इट इज 2. सो डिस्टेंस पीजे इज 2. और ये बात याद रखो कि डिस्टेंस हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. डिस्टेंस हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. ओके, नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी लर्न हाउ टू फाइंड आउट by observing the number line the distance of 2 points lying on the number line. Okay, now we will see the second question from the same practice set, that is practice set 1.1. Okay, now let us start the second question of practice set 1.1. Okay, what is that question? Let us learn. Let us read. If the coordinates of point A is x and that of point B is y, find distance AB. What is the question? The coordinates of point A and B are given. Instead of giving the number line, here the coordinate of point A and B are given in terms of x and y. If I draw a number line like this, and here it is point A and it is point B, therefore here x is the coordinate of point A and y is the coordinate of point B. In this question, value of x and y is given. With the help of these values, we have to find out distance AB in different questions. Okay, value of x and y is differ, so that we have to find out distance AB in each case. Okay, here is the figure. Your concept will clear what is given in the question. Here again I will draw a number a number line where it is a number line where A is a point and B is also point on number line, and X is coordinate of point A and Y is coordinate of point B. Okay, first of all, what is the first question? Value of X is 1 and value of Y is 7. So in this case we have to find out distance AB. What is X? It is coordinate of point A. What is Y? It is coordinate of B. And value of X and Y is given. With the help of this we can find out distance AB. Now X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 7. Tell me 1 and 7 which is larger number? कौन बड़ा है? 7. Obviously 7. So we can write like this: 7 is greater than 1. We have to compare the numbers first. Then we can find the distance AB easily. What is the formula to find distance of any 2 point? Coordinate of larger number, coordinate of right side number, point, coordinate of right side point minus coordinate of left side point. Okay. So, or like this, coordinate larger number minus smaller number. We can say like this also. Okay. So distance AB is equal to 7 minus 1. Larger number minus smaller number. It is 6 units. Okay. Now let us find the second one. The value of X is 6 and value of Y is minus 2. Okay. X is 6, Y is minus 2. First of all, tell me the relation between these two numbers. 6 is positive, minus 2 is negative. Obviously, positive number always greater than the negative number. So, 6 is greater than minus 2. So, we can find out the distance AB easily. How? Larger number minus smaller number, which is minus 2. Okay. 6 minus minus, it is plus 2. How much? 8 units. 8 units. Now, the third question. Value of X is minus 3. In the third question, value of X is minus 3 and value of Y is 7. Again tell me, minus 3 and 7. Which is larger number? 7 is larger than. Positive number is always greater than negative number. So, distance AB having coordinate X and Y, that is minus 3 and 7, and to find the distance between AB, we have to take a difference of larger number and a smaller number. Coordinate of, okay, 7 minus, this is the sign of to find the difference. 7 minus minus 3, it is 7 plus 3, it is 10 units. Okay. Now what remains? The last question, fourth question of question 2. In this question there are 6 questions. The fourth one is value of X is equal to minus 4, value of Y is equal to minus 1. यहाँ करना क्या है हमें? minus 4 और minus 5 है इसके कोऑर्डिनेट A और B के, पॉइंट A और B के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? minus 4 minus 5 है, तो हमें दोनों के दरमियान में डिस्टेंस मालूम करना है, फासला मालूम करना है. तो क्या है, पहले तय करना होगा. वी हैव टू चेक विच नंबर इज लार्जर. बोथ आर नेगेटिव, यहाँ पर दोनों नेगेटिव नंबर हैं. तो नेगेटिव नंबर में मैंने आपको बताया था कि नेगेटिव नंबर में जो जितना बड़ा होगा उतना छोटा होगा. ओके, यहाँ पर -4 और -5 में बड़ा कौन है? -4 is greater than -5. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? -4 is greater than minus 5. So easily we can find out now the distance AB, that is minus 4 minus 5. Okay, minus 4 minus plus 5. It is, there will be subtraction. 5 minus 4, it is 1, and value of sign of greater number, it is plus 1 unit. Okay, in this way you can find out the remaining two questions, 5th and 6th, okay, at home. So what is the homework for today? Question number 5th and 6th of question number 2, and some questions are also from question number 1. You must have to solve at home. Okay, thank you. Now बच्चों, let us see what is the third question. Let us read. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. To solve this question, the first question is distance PR is 7, distance PQ is 10, distance QR is 3. First of all, यहां पर आप बात ये समझ लीजिए कि क्या करना है. We have to check whether which point is in between the other two points. Here P, Q and R, here 3 points are given here. We have to set the position of a point which is between the other 2 points. Okay, let us start. So let us solve the first question. To find out that which point is between the other 2 points, first of all find out, पहले क्या करना है, find out the larger distance and give a number. Here distance PQ, the measurement of distance PQ, the distance of point P and Q, it is 10, which is larger. It is, say it is equation 1. Say it is equation 1. Now these two distance are remaining. Okay, that is distance PR and distance QR. So just add these two distances. Okay, distance PR plus distance QR. Distance PR is 7 plus distance QR is 3. It is also 10. Give equation 2. Now observe that equation 1 distance PQ is also 10, and equation 2, that is the sum of these two distances is also 10. यहाँ पर हमने देखा, हमने मुशाहिदा किया, we observe that distance PQ is 10. In the second equation, distance sum of distance PR and QR, it is also 10. Then you can say that if I draw a sketch like this, here the larger distance is PQ, therefore end point must be P and Q. End point must be P and Q because larger distance is 10. Now the third point, that is R, will lie between these 2 points. कहीं पर भी लिखो, यहाँ. Okay, this is point R. Say it is R, like this. It is point R. So PR is 7, QR is 3, and distance PQ is 10. All conditions are satisfied. That is, sum of these two segments is equal to this segment. Therefore, these are collinear points, and point R is in between these 2 points. Okay. Now let us solve the second question. Now in second question we will check which point is lying between the other 2 points. Okay, first of all check Which distance is larger? 8, 6, 4. 8 is larger. So distance RS is equal to 8. Give equation 1. Now add the remaining 2, that is distance ST plus distance RT is equal to 6 plus 4, that is 10. It is equation 1. In this question, equation 1 and equation 2 are not equal. So we can write like this: distance RS is not equal to distance ST plus distance RT from 1 and equation 2. Okay, we can write like this. Okay, the larger distance, that is distance RS, it is 8. The sum of the remaining two distance is 10. From 1 and 2 we come to know that the distance RS is not equal to the sum of the remaining two distances. Means here there is no betweenness property, and we can say that points, therefore points P, R, S and T are not collinear. Not collinear. Why? Because from equation 1 and 2 it is not equal, distance RS is not equal to the sum of the other two distances. Therefore we can say that points R, S, T are not collinear. Okay, now we will see the third question. Okay, now let us solve the third question. Okay, what is the question? The distance AB 16, distance CA is 9, distance BC is 7. Okay, now write the larger distance first and give it as equation 1. It is equation 1. Distance AB, it is equation 1. Okay, now take sum of remaining two distances. Distance CA plus distance BC. How much? Distance C is 9 plus 7. It is also 16. If you draw a sketch, here the larger distance is AB. So the end point must be A and B, and C must be in between them. Why? Equation 1 and 2 are equal. It satisfies the betweenness property. Equation 1 and 2 are equal. So the points A and B having the larger distance, these point must be the end point of the segment. Okay, and point C will lie in between these two. Okay, this is C. If AC is 9, BC is 7, then and it is 16. So from 1 and 2 we can say that distance AB is equal to distance CA plus distance BC from 1 and 2. Therefore we can write like this: A and B are the end points and C is in between them. Okay, we can write like this: A and B are the end points. Why? AB is the larger distance, that is 16. AC is 9, BC is 7, that is also the sum of these two segment distance is also 16. So A and B are the end points and C must be in between them. Okay, point C is in between A and B. Okay, now अब बच्चों आपको करना क्या है, इसमें इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में जो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस हैं आपको घर पे सॉल्व करना है, और कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछना है. ओके, डू एट होम. ओके, थैंक यू.